Have you ever wondered what makes Patpong one of the most famous neighborhoods in Bangkok? Patpong is known worldwide for its nightlife, bustling streets, and its iconic night market. But Patpong is much more than its reputation as a red light district. It has a fascinating history and cultural significance in Bangkok. It also plays an important role in Bangkok tourism. In this video, we will explore Patpong's history, evolution, culture, economy, and safety tips. Patpong is located between Silom and Surawang roads in central Bangkok. Today, it is one of Thailand's best-known entertainment districts. Visitors will find a lively mix of restaurants, bars, shopping, street food, and the famous night market. Every evening, thousands of locals and tourists come here to experience the energetic atmosphere. Patpong's story began long before it became internationally famous. In the 1940s and 1950s, it was primarily a commercial area with local businesses and markets. During the 1960s and 1970s, Bangkok grew rapidly, and Patpong began evolving into a nightlife destination. The arrival of foreign visitors and increased tourism expanded bars and entertainment venues. Over the following decades, Patpong gained worldwide recognition as a famous nightlife district. Today, it continues to evolve, balancing tourism commerce and local culture. While many people associate Patpong with nightlife, the area offers much more. Visitors can explore the Patpong night market, where vendors sell souvenirs, clothing, and accessories. Food lovers can enjoy Thai street food, international cuisine, and numerous cafes nearby. The surrounding Silom district offers modern shopping centers, hotels, rooftop bars, and cultural attractions within walking distance. This combination makes Patpong an interesting destination for many types of travelers. Patpong plays a significant role in Bangkok's tourism economy. Hotels, restaurants, transportation services, local markets, and small businesses benefit from the large number of visitors. Patpong reflects the complex relationship between tourism, entertainment, and urban development in modern Bangkok. If you plan to visit Patpong, keeping a few practical tips in mind will help you have a smoother experience. Stay aware of your surroundings, especially late at night. Confirm prices before ordering drinks or entering entertainment venues. Respect local customs and always ask permission before photographing people. Keep your valuables secure and use licensed transportation when returning to your accommodation. Like any busy tourist destination, staying alert and informed is the best way to enjoy your visit. Patpong is famous because of its unique blend of history, nightlife, shopping, tourism, and culture. Whether you want to learn about Bangkok's urban development, explore the night market, or experience a well-known district, Patpong offers a memorable glimpse into modern Bangkok. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe for more travel guides, cultural insights, and destination stories. For more information, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.